I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to download your account statements from BNP Paribas, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the BNP Paribas website and enter your login credentials to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, look for the Account Overview section on the main dashboard. This is where you can view all your accounts. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to download the statement. Click on it to view more details. Step 4. Access statements. Look for an option labeled Statements or Documents in the Account Details section. Click on it to see your available statements. Step 5. Download the statement. Select the desired statement period and click the download button. Make sure to choose the correct format, usually PDF. Just a quick note, sometimes the download button may not appear if your browser's pop-up blocker is enabled. Make sure to allow pop-ups for a smooth experience. I hope this helps you easily access your statements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.